Let's look at the mounting Russian graveyard in the Black Sea and Ukraine's unexpected naval prowess. Before the 2022 invasion, few expected Ukraine's navy to withstand Russia's maritime might. Russia's Black Sea fleet, based in Crimea since the 18th century, boasted a formidable array of warships and submarines. Ukraine, in contrast, possessed a smaller, less advanced naval force. Yet Ukraine has challenged expectations, demonstrating remarkable resilience and ingenuity in its naval operations. With a combination of daring tactics and cutting-edge weaponry, Ukraine has inflicted significant losses on the Russian fleet, altering the balance of power in the Black Sea. This unexpected turn of events has surprised many military observers and underscored the importance of adaptability and innovation in modern warfare. Ukraine's naval successes offer valuable lessons for smaller powers facing larger adversaries. The Black Sea is not just a body of water, it's a vital strategic arena. For Russia, it provides access to the Mediterranean, projecting power into the Middle East and beyond. For Ukraine, it's a lifeline for trade and a crucial defense perimeter. Control of the Black Sea has long been a point of contention between Russia and Ukraine. Russia's illegal annexation of Crimea in 2014 significantly tipped the balance in their favor, giving them a strategic advantage. However, Ukraine's recent naval successes have challenged Russia's dominance in the region. By demonstrating the vulnerability of Russia's Black Sea fleet, Ukraine has raised the stakes in this maritime chess game. Against the odds, Ukraine's naval victories. Despite being outgunned, Ukraine has secured notable victories against the Russian Navy. The most symbolic of these was the sinking of the Moskva, the flagship of Russia's Black Sea fleet. This audacious attack, reportedly carried out using Neptune anti-ship missiles, sent shockwaves through the Kremlin and beyond. Ukraine has also effectively deployed unmanned surface vessels, or USVs, to harass the Russian fleet. These nimble, remotely controlled boats, armed with explosives, have targeted Russian warships and infrastructure, disrupting their operations and undermining their morale. Further adding to Russia's woes, Ukraine has successfully targeted Russian patrol boats and landing craft, hindering their ability to control the coastline and potentially launch amphibious assaults. Adaptability and innovation, keys to Ukraine's success. Ukraine's naval successes stem from a combination of factors. Firstly, their willingness to embrace asymmetric warfare tactics, utilizing smaller, more agile platforms like USVs, has proven effective against a larger, more traditional navy. Secondly, Ukraine has leveraged modern technology, particularly in the form of Turkish-supplied Bayraktar TB2 drones and domestically produced Neptune anti-ship missiles. These weapon systems have provided Ukraine with a crucial edge in long-range engagements. Thirdly, Ukraine has benefited from intelligence sharing and support from Western partners. This assistance has been invaluable in providing Ukraine with the situational awareness and targeting information necessary to carry out successful strikes against Russian naval assets.